Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use this image Chroma Radiance text to image from a prompt that I generated from the GPT. Okay, I created this nice image. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComfyUI portable, run it. Okay, go to the plates. Okay, I want to use this model. Okay, this one. Chroma Radiance text to image. Okay, to use this model, you must download those missing models. You can download from here, as you can see. Or you can download it from here, copy the URL, and go to the Internet Download Manager, add the URL right here, and hit OK. After that, the downloading started. Okay, for me, download those files. Okay, where are those files? First one, this one. Okay. And let's add it one by one on those paths. Okay, to do that, first let's return right here, text encoder. Return here to ComfyUI portable, just ComfyUI. I go to models, search for text encoders. After that, put the first one right here. Okay, open pointer. This is my first file. I want to drag it right here. After that, return here to models. After returning to the models, let's go here. Diffusion model is Chroma Radiance X0. This model. Where is this one? Okay, this one. Let's search for diffusion models, open it and drag it right here. I think would work. Okay. Relate the paint should. Okay. This is for the users. The guide. That's showed right now. The model is encoder on takes 85 existence. Okay. And put the other file is Chroma Radiance into fusion mode. Okay. This is the default text prompt from this model. And after that, this is the resolution, the width and height. Okay. And you can press run to run and save the image. Okay. Or you can go here to ChatGPT. Just for ChatGPT. From the ChatGPT, you can add our prompt right here. Okay, let's see. Prompt use. I don't know. No. Radiance. Next image. Okay. Give me a prompt for test. I want to test. Or you choose prompt. Okay, cinematic realistic desert, canyon. Okay, okay, that's the two boys. Please hit me. Want to test this prompt. Copy this one, copy, and return right here. Put it all of those, and hit paste. Okay, run it. Okay, to create this beautiful image, it takes around 45 minutes. Thank you guys this all for this video.